In the heart of Europe, Jose Rizal continued his fight for the Filipino people, not with weapons but with words. On January 28, 1890, Jose Rizal arrived in Brussels after leaving Paris. Seeking a quieter and more affordable place, he chose this city to continue his mission. Rizal lived a simple life in Brussels. He shared a modest apartment with his friend, Jose Alejandro. Together, they spent long nights discussing ideas and dreaming of a better Philippines. In this city, Rizal worked tirelessly on his second novel, El Filibusterismo. The novel was darker and more revolutionary than his first, exposing the injustices of Spanish rule. During his stay, Rizal connected with fellow Filipinos and reformists. He maintained contact with Marcelo H. del Pilar and other members of the La Solidaridad. These relationships strengthened their shared goal, freedom and equality for the Filipino people. But life in Brussels was not easy for Rizal as he faced financial difficulties. But despite this, he refused to give up his work, proving his dedication to his country. After several months, Rizal decided to leave Brussels in July 1890. He moved to Ghent, where he would finally publish his novel. Though his stay was brief, Brussels became a place of deep reflection and productivity. Here, Rizal strengthened his voice, one that would inspire a revolution. In every city he visited, Rizal carried one mission to awaken his people. And in Brussels, that mission burned brighter than ever.